In the last video, we deployed this website on byabhishekdubey.com, and today in this video, we are going to get our own custom domain email hi@byabhishekdubey.com. This is episode 3 of building an online business using AI as your companion. Let's get right into getting our own custom domain email. We are going to use Zoho Mail for our business email. To set it up, you just type Zoho Mail on Google and click on this first link, zoho.com/email. You can get started by filling in these details or simply just do a Google sign in. After you sign up on Zoho Mail, you can go to the pricing section. You must be seeing a lot of prices, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you may get an option for free forever plan. But this only shows up in some of the locations, so you might not see this in your country. We clicked on sign up for free, and now we have this welcome to Zoho Mail page where we are going to add our domain. We are just going to click add now, provide your existing domain name, provide your organization name. Let's say for industry type, we can use IT related services and click add now. Now we need to proceed to domain verification. Now for domain verification, we need to add this TXT record on Cloudflare DNS Manager. So head on to Cloudflare, log in, go to domain, overview, and click your domain name. Here under DNS setup, just click on DNS records, and we want to add a new record. The type is TXT. TXT name or host can be left blank. We need to copy the value of this TXT and add it into the content. Use @ here. Here just add Zoho Mail, so in future you know this TXT record belongs to Zoho Mail, and just click save. Okay, after adding this, we're gonna go back to Zoho Mail setup and click verify TXT record, and done. We can proceed to the next step. We do not want to add any group right now, so we'll proceed to DNS mapping. Now after connecting the domain with Zoho Mail, we need to add these records as well. Okay, so let's quickly add these 5 records. There are 3 MX record, name. Let's just quickly fill in these values. Host will go to the name, and then mail server. Mail server will just copy it here. Priority is going to be 10, and save. We'll add another MX record, MX2. Priority is going to be 20, and save. Third MX record, priority is going to be 50, and save. Okay, now we need to add the SPF record, but for SPF record, we already have an entry. We need to edit it out, or we can delete this and create a new entry. So we'll just click on this value, copy it, and paste it here, and save it. The reason we need only one SPF value is because your domain can be associated with only one email server. Now let's add this TXT record for DKIM and save it. Okay, after adding all these records, we can just click verify all record. One of them is not going through, so we'll just wait for few minutes and click verify all record again, and it should get it. Meanwhile, we got a warning that we should delete existing MX record, so we do not have any failure in delivery attempt. So we will delete these 5 MX record. Just select out and delete. Good. Now we have only TXT record and MX record for Zoho Mail. Now verify all record. After some time, all the records have been successfully verified. Now we can go ahead and proceed. But before that, we missed adding users. So we'll go back to setup user and click on add user. Here we'll give our name, and what we want for the username is hi@byabhishekdubey.com. Since I'll be using it, so I don't want to force user to change password on their first login, and click add. Now user created successfully. We were on DNS mapping stage, verified all records, proceed to email migration, which we do not want, proceed to go to mobile. We can do it later, and then proceed to setup completion. Okay, now we can go to admin console or inbox. We'll open admin console. We'll not take a tour. We have 1 domain, 2 organization users, 0 group, and 5 license. So in our free plan, we get around 5 free emails, which we can use. And this is our primary email box. Now let's go ahead and log into our business email. Now to access our hi@byabhishekdubey.com, we'll sign out to this current account and sign in with our new custom email. Now we have our own business email and its inbox with us. To send any email, let's say I'm gonna go send this email to my Gmail account. Email is sent, and we got this email on our Gmail inbox from hi@byabhishekdubey.com. Now if I send a reply and check out my inbox in Zoho Mail, I see the email is here. So this was how you can create your own free business email using Zoho Mail and use it for your business. Now, if this video helped you in any way, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And in upcoming videos, we are going to set up our calendar, which anyone can use to book a call with me for free. Till then, keep building. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.